Hi, this year's Glossybox Advent Calendar is priced at £80 for all and sundry or £70 for Glossybox subscribers. Last year's was priced at £85 for subscribers and on 99 quid for all and sundry. So yeah, they've actually brought down the price a bit and it went down to 55 quid because it did not sell out. So don't buy already, it will go down. The calendar looks like that and is themed Feel the Magic. It contains 28 products apparently. Now, a couple of years ago, Glossybox's Advent Calendar was kind of weird and had a lot of gadgets or tools rather, not gizmos, not electronics, but gadgets, tools. One of them actually looked like the mouth of Sauron from Lord of the Rings. It was actually a hair detangler. Let's hope that isn't there this year. Let us look at what the contents are. The first product, Floral Street Wonderland Peony, EDP, deluxe size at 10 mils, full size is 50 mils. The second is a much seen product, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, 50 mils is what you get, 150 mils is full size. This used to be an absolute regular product in beauty advent calendars around 2016-2017. Next you have the Amore Lashes Quick Lashes Mini Bond. This is not full-sized is $9.99. This is actually an adhesive that locks your eyelashes in place for 7 days. I would go completely insane. I do a complete makeup removal routine with double cleansing and everything, and if something locked my lashes in for 7 days, I'd go completely mad. The next product is really looking nice. It is the Chiarte I Am a Woman eyeshadow palette, full-sized at £39. This was a launch for 2021 International Women's Day. There are 24 shades in this palette. It kind of reminds me of Byredo's Kalahari eyeshadow palette, shade-wise. I know Chiarte, the brand, has come in for flack a few years ago. I'm not really sure about the exact controversy because I wasn't as much into beauty as I am now. Nor am I sure of what the quality is like because I've never used a Chiarte eyeshadow in my life. I've only used mascaras and things. So I don't know what the quality is like. All I know is the palette shades look nice and it is a nice 24 panel, big chunky product there. The next product is from Physicians Formula. It is the Rosé All Day Set and Glow Powder, full-sized, retailing at £10. It looks nice as well. Again, I don't know about the quality, but it looks nice. Next you have from Color Wow, no, not the Dream Coat. This is the 1 minute transformation cream. You only get 50 mils, full size is 120 mils. Next you have from Lottie London, Ready Set Glow translucent powder, again not full size at all, this is only deluxe. The next product is a sheet mask from Beauty Pro. It is the brightening sheet mask, full size, retailing at £4.95. The next product is a face serum. It is the Earth Harbour Marina Bio Brightening Ampoule, retailing at £26. Full size serum, alright in my book. Next you have from Espa. You have two products. You have the Optimal Pro Moisturizer. You get 15 mils of it, which retails at 55, but full size is 55 mils. And you also get the Optimal Skin Body Tri Serum. You only get 10 mils of that, full size is 100 mils. So you get two Espa minis, samples, deluxe sizes, travel sizes, whatever you want to call them, not full sized. The next product is one that I will not be counting in my price breakdown, despite it being full sized. It is from Avant. You get either the Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum 30 mils, which retails at apparently £92, or the Flawless Energizing and Oxygenating, I'm sleep deprived people. Oxygenating Caffeine 2-in-1 Face and Eye Serum, full size 30 mils, retailing at £92. Why are all these tiny 30 ml products retailing at £92? Who do they think they are? Dr. Dennis Gross? Now, Lucy from Germany tells me that from the Avant terms and conditions on the website, she was able to find out that Atypic Skincare, another brand that you often see in beauty boxes alone, but not retailing anywhere, are both owned by AMK Labs, and that the owners of Able Skincare, yet another beauty box special value hijacking brand, that the address for Able Skincare is also 166 College Road in Harrow, London, just like Atypic Skincare. Also sharing the address is Symbiosis London. Lucy from Germany also tells me that they have links with Sentier and Flannery Skincare, and that all these brands are used as fillers in beauty boxes and can't be found outside, retailing in, say, Space NK or something, or Selfridges Beauty Pool or something. They're not there, they're only there in beauty boxes, and the value is always very, very, very high. Now, somebody else has commented that they believe that Avant is a private label, or sorry, a white label brand, wherein, you know, you buy the product inside, the actual, you know, juice or cream or lotion or whatever, powder, not powder in Avant's case, cream or lotion, for cheap in bulk from a wholesaler located possibly on a different continent altogether, and then you put your label and your branding on top of that, and then you put your price tag. So you don't have to spend on R&D at all, research and development. You don't have to have a lab, you don't have to have any kind of testing, you don't have to do anything, just produce the labels, affix them, put the price tag of your choice and sell them. This is nonsense, and I think Avant is extremely dodgy. I'm not saying I believe that this is factual, I don't know. I'm just telling you what people have told me about Avant. There have been major discussions about Avant in the past on this channel, and I think, you know, you don't know the exact names of people behind Avant, you don't know the names of people working for Avant, you don't know the names of retailers with whom Avant sells full sizes. No, you don't see it in store, you don't see it in Boots, you don't see it in Space NK, you don't see it in Selfridges, you don't see it in Harrods, you don't see it anywhere. All you see is, you know, gargantuan price tags. 92 quid for 30 mils. That's Dr. Dennis Gross level price tags, people. Why is it for Avant? And, you know, the ingredients listed, they're not exactly groundbreaking. You don't see anything massive. You know, the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pills, absolute groundbreaking product there. You don't see anything like that from Avant. So Avant extremely dodgy. For this reason, I will not be counting the value of Avant when I do the price breakdown for the Advent calendar. I will, however, count the value of the next product, which is the Babor Active Night Ampoules. You get full size, which is actually 7 vials of 2 mils apiece. You know, single use ampoules there. £39 is the retail price. The next product is from Makeup Academy. Who remembers Makeup Academy? Back when they came out, Makeup Academy were huge. At the time, I was just getting into beauty, and everybody who was anybody who, you know, was just buying Makeup Academy products because they were so cheap. Later, there were all these allegations being thrown about dodgy ingredients and reactions and, you know, not being safe and all that, I don't know. So you get the intense color lip liner and creamy matte lipstick, full size, retailing at £3.50. Oh dear. Next you have the Rodial Papaya Enzyme Scrub. You only get 20 mils of it, full size is 135 mils. Next you have the Rituals Ritual of Sakura Candle, 290 grams is full size, you only get a mini. Next you have the Note Mineral Lip Gloss, full size, retailing at £8.95. The next product is the So Eco Pillow Satin Pillowcase. Why is everybody sending out bed linen suddenly? I mean, yeah, a pillowcase is what I would, you know, categorize under bed linen, because, you know, pillow, not cushion, not throw pillow that you put on your sofa. This is a proper pillowcase, a bedtime pillowcase. It's bed linen for me. Why is everybody sending out bed linen in beauty advent calendars? Yeah, I know washing and changing your pillowcases is extremely important. I do mine very regularly because I am a side sleeper and I get a lot of acne. As you can see, I've got a big one here and a big one there, and here a big one, there a big one, everywhere a big one. So yeah, I'm very, you know, diligent about washing my pillowcases, but I don't want to get them in beauty advent calendars. I mean, what next? A bath mat, or, you know, doormats or things like that, yeah? Shower curtains. This is insanity. I think everybody should restrict the contents of their boxes to absolute beauty. Makeup, skincare, bath and body. That's it. All of this isn't beauty. The next product is from Revolution. Oh dear, this is not exactly, you know, very exciting advent calendar, is it? Pro Correcting Primer, Radiant Peach. Indeed, full size retailing at £7.50. Next you have the Made by Mitchell Blush, Liquid Blush in the shade Posy Rosy. Full size retailing at £14. Next you have from Brushworks the Eye and Brow Brush Set, retailing at £15.95. And a Powder Puff Duo, full-sized. Oh dear. What's a half-sized puff anyway? Retailing at £5.99. Next you have what I would call one of the more decent products in this advent calendar, something that I have used and something that I absolutely love, but I don't repurchase because of there are cheaper products out there, and this is a once-in-a-while treat for me. And because, you know, there are a lot of other products that I need to use up. What it is the L'Occitane Almond Delicious Hand Cream. Deluxe size is what you get, but 75 mils is full size. I can promise you that it smells absolutely lovely and very, very, very comforting. At the same time, not overwhelming, not an annoying scent there. Beautiful product this. Next you have from Iconic London. No, thankfully not that illuminator. This is the Triple Threat Mascara. It is full size, retailing at £20. Next you have, oh my god, this is so quaint, you know, very, very old product. Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. Deluxe size is what you get. Full size is 200 mils. This is so quaint. I mean, where are we living? 2010, yeah? Oh dear. The next product is the Grow Gorgeous Volume Shampoo. Deluxe size 250 mils. Who remembers Grow Gorgeous? Grow Gorgeous used to be owned by Tessim, if I remember right. And then the Hut Group bought Grow Gorgeous. The Hut Group owns Glossybox, so the Hut Group owns Grow Gorgeous as well, which is why you expect to see Grow Gorgeous in Glossybox and other Hut Group owned concerns. Lastly, you have from Medicaid the Micellar Mousse, full size at 150 mils, retailing at 25 pence. So the Avant product that you get costs £92, and the Advent calendar is 80 or 70 quid, depending on whether you are a subscriber or not. Insane. So, which is why I'm not going to count the Avant at all. They claim 17 full sizes. I get 14 full sizes. Point number 1. Point number 2, let's do the price breakdown. Chiarte palette 39, Physicians Formula 10, you get 49. Sheet mask 4.95. The ampoule 26 quid, you get 79.95. Not counting the Avant. Babor ampoules 39, you get 118.95. Makeup Academy Lippy 350, you get 122.45. Lip gloss 8.95, you get 131.40. Revolution is 7.50. The liquid blush is 14, you get 152.90. The brush set and powder puff duo. Powder puff. Who sends a powder puff in an Advent calendar anymore? £5.99. The mascara and the micellar mousse come up to 45 quid, so you get 219.84. So without counting the Avant, you get 219.84. I'm not saying the value isn't there, I'm just saying this is absolutely uninspiring an effort. There are 2 or 3 decent products. The Chianti palette looks alright. The Physicians Formula powder looks alright. The ampoule looks alright, and so does that micellar mousse. So 4 products look alright in my book. 4 or 5. The Babor ampoules, fine. 5 products look alright in my book. 5 products. Out of 25 doors. 5 products. 5 doors look alright. Not good enough, not good enough at all. So last year's Glossybox Advent Calendar, the price came down to 55 quid. If you want those 5 products and you think they're worth it for you, wait until the price comes down, please. I think something needs to be done about Avant in beauty boxes and Advent calendars, and they're all going to tell you that Avant is 92 quid, 116 quid, 5,972 quid, and the value of the Advent calendar is, you know, astronomically high. And that is not how it works. I think the only solution is for us to vote with our purses, not buy. Vote with our purses until, you know, because no one's listening to feedback. I have written in, I know some of you have written in to all these brands, you know, giving them our thoughts about all this. And I have received, and I'm sure some of you must have as well, those who wrote in, thank you notes, and yeah, we'll keep that in mind and forward your feedback to the right people and all that. But nothing's being done. I think the only way for something to be done is if we vote with our purses and stop buying altogether. But the problem is blind buyers, you know, people who don't want to see what's inside, people who want an Advent calendar, people who are not really aware of the world of beauty and just want to buy gifts for their family members or partners or friends and so on. Those people, with that buying happening, I don't really see how we can make a difference here. If we buy only the good ones and the others don't sell, eventually those people are going to get the message. You know, why are those ones selling and ours not? That is going to be asked, isn't it? The question. I don't expect this one to sell out unless they do a massive price reduction, which they will have to, like last year. So hopefully they will get the message one day. So those are my thoughts on the Glossybox Advent Calendar for 2023. What do you think? Do you agree? Another uninspiring effort with some very dated products in there? You know, 2 or 3 decent inclusions, or do you think it's all brilliant? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please should give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.